This video will show you how to replace your washer fluid reservoir filler neck on this Subaru Outback. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the hood in the open position, we're along the driver's side of the engine compartment. This is where we can see our washer fluid reservoir filler neck. Prior to removing this from the reservoir, of course we're going to want to make sure we clean the area where it connects. That's down in this area just along the side of the battery. I'm just going to use some compressed air to try to remove any miscellaneous debris. Once you have that area cleaned down so no debris will fall inside of the reservoir, let's start removing that filler neck. Up along the top of the filler neck, you're going to find that you have a small plastic clip holding the filler neck in place. I'm just going to use some long nose pliers. The clip actually has two locking tabs, one on either side, front and rear. Squeeze them in and gently pull the filler neck towards the center of the vehicle or towards the engine. Now that we have that dislodged, we can take hold of this, we'll give it a slight twist and lift it up and out of position. Definitely get some movement there. There we are. Now, if when you pulled this out, you found that the seal came out of the washer fluid tank, we do want to reuse that. So I'm just going to remove that from the filler neck. For that, you should be able to stretch it right on over. Of course, we'll give it a quick inspection to make sure it's soft and pliable, not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. There it is, friend. Now, if your sealing ring came out of the washer fluid reservoir, you need to reinstall it. If it didn't, you definitely want to at least clean and inspect that seal. I'm going to get this in place inside the reservoir. Double check to make sure it's properly seated. Now we can install our brand new washer fluid reservoir neck. We'll take this and get it in position. I'm attempting to align it with the gasket on my reservoir, deep down in that side area there. We'll continue on pressing it straight down. This will take a little bit of force. Once you feel as though you have it bottomed out with the washer fluid reservoir, you can continue on. This has a little bit further to go here. There we are. Now we're up along the top. Now we can continue on to the upper piece of hardware here. For this, we just want to align that reservoir with its clip. Once you have it aligned, press it towards the body of the vehicle or outward towards the fender. Once you feel as though you have that in place, just give it a wiggle, confirming it's properly secured. Now the next thing you want to do is add your preferred washer fluid. Go ahead and top it off. Now once you've topped off your fluid, go ahead and close the lid. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.